Chia seeds are the teeny black seeds of chia plant. Chia seeds contains large amount of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, plenty of high-quality protein, and several essential mineral and antioxidant. They may improve digestive health, blood levels of heart healthy omega-3, and risk factor for heart disease and diabetes. Chia seed contains many powerful antioxidants that may reduce your risk of chronic illness such as heart disease and cancer. 7. Health benefits of chia seeds. Number 1. Highly nutritious. Despite their teeny size, chia seeds are highly nutritious. They are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acid, and various micronutrients. Number 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants. These compounds help protect the seed's delicate fats while also offering health benefits to humans. Number 3. May support weight loss. Chia seeds are high in protein and fiber, both of which have been shown to aid weight loss. Number 4. May lower your risk of heart disease. Chia seeds may reduce the risk of heart disease, likely due to the fiber and ALA they contain. Number 5. Contain many important bone nutrients. Chia seeds are high in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and ALA. All of these nutrients have been linked to improved bone mineral density. Number 6. May reduce blood sugar levels. Animal studies suggest that chia seeds may help with blood sugar management. Number 7. Easy to incorporate into your diet. Chia seeds are easy to prepare and often used as an egg substitute and added to oatmeal or smoothies. The bottom line. Chia seeds are not only rich in minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, but also easy to prepare. Studies suggest that they have various health benefits, ranging from weight loss to a reduced risk of heart disease. Thank you.